SafetyTac floor tape is a powerful visual communication tool. When combined with LabelTac industrial label printers, even more useful applications can be discovered. With the right tools, SafetyTac floor tape can be transformed into custom floor signs. All you need is a LabelTac printer, our free LabelSuite software, and clear LabelTac supply. Begin by installing your SafetyTac in the desired location. Once fixed in place, remember to tamp it down to complete the installation process. For a detailed video on how to install SafetyTac, check out our video here or in the description below. Next, load your LabelTac printer with clear supply. Ensure your label supply is the same size or slightly smaller than your floor tape. In this example, we are using 4-inch SafetyTac and 3-inch LabelTac. Using LabelSuite, enter your desired message, then print your label. A detailed video on creating labels in LabelSuite is available here and in the description below. Next, align the label with your SafetyTac. Tape can be used to secure the label in place on one side. Peel up a section of the backing. Finally, complete your LabelTac installation with a label applicator to prevent air bubbles and wrinkled edges. For more tips on installing labels, check out our dedicated video here. Your custom floor sign is now complete. Using SafetyTac together with LabelTac opens up endless possibilities for visual safety and organization. For more ideas, visit creativesafetysupply.com.